Welcome to session 48 on William Emerson's 7 Types of Ambiguities, BA 5th semester, optional English, Ranichanama University, Belagavi. We have been discussing 7 types of ambiguities by William Emerson. In the earlier sessions, we discussed William Emerson as a critic, the meaning and definition ambiguity based on William Emerson's views, and the first 3 types of ambiguities explained by Emerson. So in this session, I am going to explain the remaining 4 types of ambiguities, and those are Freudian slip, unfortunate confusion, fill-it-in, and binary apposition. So before going to the discussion of these 4, let's remember what we discussed earlier. Ambiguity is having more than one indeterminate meaning, something that does not have a single clear meaning, or something that is ambiguous. In ordinary usage, ambiguity is applied to a fault in style, that is, usage of a vague or equivocal term of expression when what is wanted is precision and particularity of reference. Multiple meaning and plurasignation are alternative terms for this use of language. They have the advantage of avoiding the pejorative association with the word ambiguity. And I also have explained the first 3 types of ambiguity, and those are metaphor, new idea, and pun. So let us discuss the remaining 4 types of ambiguities. And the particular learning objective of this particular session is to enable you to understand the remaining 4 types of ambiguities, and you will be able to understand them by the end of this discussion. So the fourth one, ambiguity explained by William Emerson is a Freudian slip. We may term it as a Freudian slip. What is Freudian slip? It's an ambiguity of the 4th type occurs when 2 or more meanings of a statement do not agree among themselves but combine to make a clear, a more complicated state of mind in the author. Alternative meanings combine to confuse interpretation. Unfortunate confusion is the next type of ambiguity. The meaning of the unfortunate confusion, or the 5th type of ambiguity, is an ambiguity of the 5th type occurs when the author is discovering his idea in the act of writing or not holding at all in his mind at once. So that, for instance, there is a simile which applies to nothing exactly but lies halfway between 2 things when the author is moving from one to another. The author is not holding them in his mind at once. This is the unfortunate confusion. And the next type of ambiguity by Emerson is fill-it-in. We may term it as fill-it-in. In the 6th type of ambiguity, what is said is contradictory or irrelevant, and the reader is forced to invent interpretations. It happens when a statement says nothing and the readers are in conflict with the author in deciphering the meaning or in finding the meaning. And the next one is binary appositions. What is binary appositions? 2 words that within context are opposites that expose a fundamental division in the author's mind. It's a contradiction of this kind may be meaningless. A contradiction of this kind may be meaningless but can never be a blank, which is called binary appositions. So for more information, you may refer these 4 books: Glossary of Literary Terms by M.H. Abrahams, Oxford Companion to English Literature by Dina Birch and Katie Hooper, Literary Criticism by William K. Wimsatt Jr. and Cleant Brooks, and also www.britannica.com. Thank you for listening.